So what's up everybody? So I'm gonna be doing like a video throughout this week. It's like 10:15 at night right now, so I'm being a little bit quiet because people are going to bed, but I'm in my room. But I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna be working my house a lot, so hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. See you. Good morning everybody, it's the next morning and I'm feeling pretty invigorated. I'm excited. I'm gonna be here for the rest of the week, doing some work on a house, earning some money, and now it's gonna be lit. Getting my breakfast at Champions in before we go work on the house. Ooh. Ooh. We have arrived at the Hobson house. Gonna go do some work. So, well, I'm gonna go to the lumber yard in a little while and go get the second load of stuff. Go get the second load of wood. Look at the first load. We have 3 loads that we have to get. There's the first load of wood. And then a second, and then a third, because it's too heavy. So, at first, Elizabeth, they were using forklifts to put the wood on because it was so heavy. And they already had a few pieces up there, and then they put the second one down, and it pushed this all the way down onto Dada's truck, and they had to take it off really fast, otherwise it would break his truck. We're at the lumber yard right now. Lots of wood. We're gonna get our second load of stuff. What?
Trees are being destroyed.
Yep. So right now, we just got our second load of wood. This is about 1,000 pounds of wood, and it was like pushing our truck down like crazy. Each piece is about like 125 to like 150 pounds. Yeah. This is for up here. We're gonna replace those pieces. It's going good. I'm getting my lunch all ready. I got the water boiling. Gonna have a cup of noodle.
You fit in the palm of my hand. You felt so good in it. No bigger than a minute.
So beautiful.
How it amazes me. You're changing with every blink. Faster than a flower blooms. They grow up all too soon. So let them be little, 'cause they're only that way for a while. Give them hope, give them praise, give them love every day. Let them cry, let them giggle,